have Arjun Kapoor, our National Brand Ambassador, on stage to address the media.
The last time I came in front of an audience and started talking on a mic, it led to a lot of trouble for a lot of people. But yeah, I won't get into details. All the logistics and details have already been provided, and all this information is available out there for all of you all to explore and people to read up about it. Firstly, I would like to thank them for making me the first ever brand ambassador in our country for this organization. And the key word here is organization. There's a lot of, at various levels, people take a lot, talk a lot, discuss a lot. There's a lot of people who have visions, but there is an organization here that continuously has executed and managed to achieve in their own unique and small way to make sure that the earth is a better place to live in, and it's at a global level. Predominantly, we talk about India today, like they spoke about renewable energy. That's a very, very important aspect that can give a better future to our children and our future generations. When he does talk about me being somebody for the youth, I know the youth is very rebellious. They tend not to listen to our elders. Like I never listen to my parents when it comes to certain things. But I know our children can influence a generation above us, and they will think about their children that they would like to benefit and leave something as beautiful as what we've acquired. And that's pretty much where the message comes in. It's not about today, tomorrow, day after. It's about starting today, and it's something that can resonate for many years ahead. And I know it sounds very philosophical, but I'm almost 30 and I have to think about the future, and I'm sure every 20-year-old kid eventually will be 30 and will think ahead. So if I can park a thought, if I can start a chain, even however small it is, and you move it forward, it'll continue to resonate in every child's mind that they can influence their parents and their future friends, family, etc. in their own small, unique way. Like I was telling him, when we brush our teeth, just switching off the tap, yeah, that's as simple as starting out. So Earth Hour is pretty much almost like a wake-up call. It's just supposed to serve as that. It's you take an hour out of your life to give back to this environment and this earth that gives you so much, and it's just a small stepping stone. Hopefully in this association that I have with them, I'll be able to inspire and kind of educate at a basic level, so people don't find it a formality or अरे यार बोर मत करो पकाओ मत जैसे आप सब अभी थोड़े हो रहे हो मेरी बातें सुन के नहीं जाग जाओ चलेगा मैच जीत गई इंडिया now you guys can all wake up. The fact honestly remains is inspiring the youth is not easy because the youth has a mind of their own. It's about influencing them with genuine knowledge and information that they can take ahead. And this organization has done that for many years, so they have a stamp of approval from the world. And I'm very, very happy and very, very proud to be part of this movement in my own small way. So thank you for coming out and allowing me to start spreading my message in my own way. Thank you so much.
Hi Arjun, firstly congratulations on your association with this noble cause. Arjun, I'm not sure if a lot of people are aware, but you're also associated with this online charity auction with eBay, and it's about how a person is going to get to spend some time with you during this Eartha, and I think the bidding has already begun. And this is your first time that you're associating with something like this, like a charity auction. So if you could just throw some light on that and your association.
I can just recommend people to do it for the right reasons. I would love to spend time with as many people as possible, and I'm going to be in Delhi on that particular day, on the 28th for Earth Hour. So whoever wins this opportunity and this chance is donating to the right cause. I wouldn't like to use the word charity because I believe this organization does a lot more than just that. So you're, in your own small way, like I said, contributing to take the country and the world to the right direction in that sense. It's a contribution that will go a long way. And eBay is going to make sure whichever part of the country you're from. Sorry? Oh yeah, that's the most important part, is that what you guys just saw about the renewable energy source that they're doing in the Sundarbans, that's where the money is going to go. So it's going to a very important aspect of WWF. And wherever, no matter which part of the country you're in, whether it's Bombay, Aurangabad, Ahmedabad, आप कहीं से भी bid करोगे, eBay will make sure you get a chance to spend that 1 hour with me. And I need all the company I can get on that particular day. Each person counts. Each person out of the house over there means less energy being used for that hour any which ways. So it's part of a very big design in a small way.
Hi Arjun.
Hi.
अर्जुन, जब इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए आपको अप्रोच किया गया था, क्या उससे पहले कभी आपने सोचा था ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए, या और किसी कॉज के लिए आपके जहन में आया व्हिच यू वांटेड टू डू?
जी, जहन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं और बहुत सारे ख्याल आते हैं, बट मौके बहुत कम मिलते हैं जो इस तरह के स्केल पे हो, जहाँ पे आपको पता है कि आप जो हर बार आप बाहर निकल के कुछ बोलोगे तो उसका फ़ायदा भरपूर लोगों को होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हाउसेज इन द सुंदरबंस. तो वन बिड, वन पर्सन विनिंग. सोचिए, एक सोलर पैनल लगेगा तो कितने लोगों के घर जेन्युइनली रोशनी से भर सकते हैं, कितने बच्चे पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं और कितने बच्चे शेर से रात को डरेंगे नहीं और चैन की नींद सो सकते हैं. So it has to come together in the correct way also. We as our generation and this profession allows us to be influential in many ways. In a good way, you want to step out and do the best thing possible to influence people. I think this was something that made complete sense last year also when it happened. I didn't think that they would come back, and that's why I'm overwhelmed. I genuinely didn't anticipate that. And that's what I asked her today upstairs. I said, was it that successful the last time? And they said yes, because there's a certain amount of traction they got from you guys. That is very important as well. The media also stood up and took notice. It's the first time they had somebody at this age group doing it. And obviously social media helps. The fact that I want to do more than just an hour. I want to be able to do things every couple of months, every couple of weeks in my own small way to keep continuing. So it just has to create awareness, and I'm very willing to go to any extent. I think with this organization, they have the same kind of vision in mind. It's not just the charity aspect. It's about educating people. It's about also what I spoke to him today was there are a lot of job opportunities available, and a lot of people are not aware that it's not just a charity. It's a genuine organization, and that's what I've been harping on, is because I feel there's a lot of potential within WWF for people to come and work, people who are fond of wildlife, people who are fond of doing something for the environment, people who are studying towards helping the environment. This is a huge stepping stone for the younger generation to start out. So at a lot of levels, it made a lot of sense to me. And that's why I'm very, very honored and happy to be here for this reason.
Arjun, hi. Just like you said, the last time you were on stage, you had to face a lot of issues. Does it concern you now, considering, do you think that there is a lack of sense of humor in this country? Or does it affect you now when you take up something like this?
तेरे पास माइक है? वो पूछ रहा है ना, पूछते थे ना? आप दोनों मिली भगत करके joint question पूछ रहे हैं. I couldn't hear your question because he said something. You're saying I'm worried if India has a sense of humor or not?
No, I mean, when you try and get out and do something what you want to, and you have this sort of a response, does it kind of bother you to just go out and...
I genuinely feel in a democracy, everybody's allowed to have a point of view. You're nothing without a point of view and an opinion. You must share it, you must bring it up, you must talk, you must be open to it. And things are up for debate all the time. As an actor, as an artist, that also was done for a charitable cause. People tend to overlook that aspect of that event that happened. And that was the most important fundamental aspect of doing that. I don't think people have lost their sense of humor, and I think you guys are partially responsible for being able to kind of have both sides of the coin presented in a very even form. I must give credit where it's due to the media also. That's a very important aspect because there are a lot of voices and they've been allowed to be heard because of the media coming on, a lot of articles written. So I don't agree that India has lost its sense of humor. I think it's still very much there. And it'll continue here. I don't think that's going to change. It's good to have opinions and points of views. I completely respect that.
Arjun, अभी मैच जीते हैं. Are you a cricket fan? And I just wanted to know, do you have any particular टोटका whenever you watch India के matches या cricket देखते हैं तो आप कभी कुछ follow करते हैं?
जो टाइमिंग पे मैच हो रहा है मैं अपने बिस्तर में ही देख पाता हूँ because of how early they are. I'm not you're asking about superstition in that sense, ना? यार obviously वो जब मैच देख रहे हो तो कुछ होता है और आप हिलते नहीं हो कुछ देर के लिए, वो हर इंसान में होता है. I think even the cricketers that are playing, if they're sitting in the dressing room, they also won't move from a particular position if the batsman is playing well who's there. But ऐसे कोई खास मुझे याद नहीं. मुझे ये याद है जब इंडिया में आमिर सोहेल को जब वेंकटेश प्रसाद ने बोल्ड किया था, उसके पहले मैं आधा घंटा एक ही पोजीशन पे बैठा था और पाकिस्तान रन मारे जा रही थी. ऐसे नहीं कुछ अच्छा होगा. मैं बिस्तर के कोने पे जाके बैठा हुआ था, मैं हिला नहीं था. फिर वेंकटेश प्रसाद गॉट हिम आउट एंड दैट वाज अ ह्यूज मोमेंट. आई रिमेंबर इन दैट वर्ल्ड कप. तभी मैं बच्चा था. दैट मोमेंट हैज स्टेड विद मी बिकॉज़ आई वाज इन वन कॉर्नर थ्रू आउट द आफ्टर इवनिंग वाचिंग द मैच. So in this World Cup, I've been sitting in my bed. Sorry to disappoint you.
No, I'm not disappointed.
Match. Do you think India will bring back the cup?
Match खत्म हो गया ना. But clearly we've said we won't give it back, so we won't give it back. I think when Indians decide something, they're very, very stubborn about it. So I'm very, very certain that we won't give it back.
वैसे आप काफ़ी मीडिया फ्रेंडली हैं. आपके प्रमोशंस के दौरान आप अच्छे से मिलते हैं, लेकिन AIB के बाद से आप काफ़ी, मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि आप बात नहीं कर रहे थे, बाइट्स नहीं दे रहे थे, अवॉइड कर रहे थे. आप बदलापुर के भी स्क्रीनिंग पर आए थे, लेकिन वहाँ पे भी आपने बाइट नहीं दी.
स्क्रीनिंग पे नहीं, मैं पार्टी पे आया.
सॉरी, सक्सेस पार्टी.
मैंने पीछे से चिल्लाया भी था, ये रघु हिट पिक्चर दे लिया है, और मैं निकल गया.
लेकिन आप मीडिया को इंटरैक्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे? मतलब
देखिए, बदलापुर के सक्सेस पे जिन लोगों ने बदलापुर पे काम किया है उनकी चर्चा होनी चाहिए. आई डोंट लाइक टू टेक अवे एंड स्टील पीपल्स थंडर. इट इज Varun's moment, it was Dino's moment, it was all the other artists that have worked on the film. I was there to support my friend, like I've always been there. उसके पहले मैं आयुष्मान को मिलने भी गया था जब दम लगा के आयशा उसी दिन लगी थी. मुझे मीडिया से परहेज बिल्कुल नहीं है. आज आप सबके सामने बैठा हूँ तो आई थिंक इट्स अ प्राइम एग्जांपल. फिल्म फेयर के लिए मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था, उस दिन रेड कार्पेट उल्टी तरफ था, मैं बैक स्टेज था तो मिल नहीं पाया. जीमा में मैं रिहर्सल उसी दिन करने पहुंचा बिकॉज आई गॉट फाइनलाइज फॉर द इवेंट दैट डे. तो मैं फिर से रेड कार्पेट नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि मैं पीछे बैक स्टेज था. मुझे कोई ऐसा वो नहीं है कि मैं बात नहीं करना चाहूँगा. जी सही बात है, जब एक चीज़ होती है जो इतने लोग चर्चा करते हैं तो यू ऑलरेडी डन व्हाट यू डन. यू कैन नॉट कीप हार्पिंग ऑन इट एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग योरसेल्फ. एंड एवरीबडी टेक्स टाइम टू पुट पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन एवरीथिंग, यू नो. सो इट्स गुड टू गिव इट सम टाइम. एंड आई एम आउट हियर. सो मैं आज भी आपके सामने हूँ. मैं ना फोटो देने से कभी कतराता हूँ, ना आप लोग से कभी मिलता हूँ. तो आई नेवर लेट एनीबडी बिलीव दैट आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ बीइंग हियर. Yes, the biggest difference is, which I would like to clarify, a lot of people feel it's subjective that I've chosen not to be. आप ये भी देखिए कि मैं पिछले 3 साल से कंटिन्यूसली काम कर रहा था. मैंने बीच में रोज तो हुआ था दिसंबर में, मैंने जनवरी में छुट्टी भी ली थी, तो मैं कुछ दिन के लिए चले गया था बाहर. उस वजह से लोगों को लगता है अरे ये नहीं बात करना चाहते. मैं था ही नहीं तो बात कैसे करूँगा. जब था वापस आया, बदलापुर लगी थी तो बाहर आ गया था फिर से.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
इस वक्त फ्यूचर प्लान है कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खत्म करूं, फिर जो मेरे इंटरव्यूज है वो खत्म करूं और जाके घर पे अपने बहन को जाके मिलूं बस.
Okay, no more questions, please. Sorry, please, no more questions.
आपको माइक लाना चाहिए था ना साथ में. पूछिए. जी जी.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to cut you on this question. No, let's take it to WWF and... No, I'm sorry, please. It's a WWF event.
Okay, just to put it into perspective, again, आपने जो सवाल पूछा, I don't want to get into details because we're here for another cause at this point. They have to be comfortable with me speaking as well. Simply put, I think one documentary is not a reflection of the country or the mindsets. It is a way of us realizing that there are people in society across the world that exist like this. I've not seen the documentary because it got banned before I could get a chance to see it, so it would be very unfair on my part to comment. But again, like I said, it's opinion and point of view and debate and discussion. If something good comes out of this, then I think it's fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. It's a documentary at the end of the day. I don't think we should make it about anything else but what they're trying to say. It's not about India, it's about what's happened to that poor girl at the end of the day. People are forgetting that. It can happen to anybody. So I think we should keep that woman, that girl in mind before we get into this national larger debate of things as well.
Okay, thank you.